Hello everyone, welcome back to Technic4's tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to create and manage the products in ShopFunnels. Let's start. This is my ShopFunnels admin login page. So, I'll just log in here with my email. And this is my password. Now, click on Login. Now for the product, what you need to do, you need to click here, Product. Choose your store. For example, I want to choose this Nimble. So I just selected this, and after that, you can see it here. I have already created a lot of products. So let me show you how you can create a new product. For that, you'll need to click here, Add Product. And now just select here on your product page. Let me show you where this product page comes from. So this product page comes from the store. Before creating any product, you first need to create the store. For the store, you can just click Store Content and create here. And after the store creation, you will get your product page here. And now, just add here your product title, your product description. You can add and edit anything to the product description. Then upload your product images here. Click here to add media. And now just select your media from your files, or you can just click Upload New to upload new product images. So this is my product image. I'll just select the product image one by one. Make sure you have the same width and height of the product image. And if you have different kinds of width and height product image, then it will not show here in the pages. So make sure the dimensions of your product images are the same. For example, I have these 3 images and they have the same width and height. Now, I'll just select the product image one by one. This is the first, second, and third image. You can see here the first image has different height, but the last 2 images have the same height. Whenever you create a product, always make sure that your first product image has the same width and height with the rest of your product images. And if you do not want to upload the media on your hosting, you can also add the image through the URL. Just provide the media type and URL here. And for now, I'll leave it as it is. After that, just add the pricing here. You can also add the compare price. Also, add the tax amount and the currency of choice and your cost per item, which is not shown to your customers. Also, add in your margin percentage. So your price and cost per item shows the margin here. Next, we have the inventory section. Here you can add your stock keeping unit. Just to show you, I will add some random details here. But for your end, you need to add in the real barcode of your item here. After that, check this box here to answer yes, I am continuing selling when out of stock. Next, I'll add the quantity that I have available and the number of items included in a single order. This means which number of the quantity of this product you want to sell at a time. Like if any customer wants to purchase this product, they cannot purchase more than this quantity. So you can select the limit. So I will choose here 2. After that, check this box to answer yes, this is a physical product and add the item's weight. Also check this box here to answer no, this product has no variant if it doesn't. And after that, set the status to active and add the product type and its collection if it has. My product here has no collection, but you can add all your product information here. And lastly, add your tags for it. Then review all the details that you have entered. Then just click on Save Setup. You'll see the green banner if it saved successfully. Then to preview your product, just click on this icon. Now this is your product. You can see here the images, product title, price, the Buy Now button, Add to Cart button, and reviews here. So this is how you can create the product. Now let me show you another example of the product. Click the product section again. Now click here, add product, and this time I want to add my second product, and this product has a variant. Now add in the product page. I'll add the product title, product description, and the images. I'll just click here to upload a new one. These are the product images. I'll upload them all one by one and in order that I want. Now again, add all the pricing details here, just like what we did earlier. Same goes for the inventory and shipping sections. Now this product has a variant, so for this one, check on this box to say yes, this product has multiple choices. Then choose and enter in your variant options here. After that, click on the Create Combination button. So these are the variants right here. If you want to select an image, you can select, so it can guide your customers on what they are ordering. Or from here, you can then add the details of each variant. Now that I have successfully defined all the individual infos, let me move on to finishing up the rest of the setup. Then after that, click on Save Setup. Now that it is saved successfully, as you can see, this is the product title, price, and here goes the product variant that we have added. For example, let me click on this one. You'll see here that it says it is not available, because for this product, we have just created one product. It is set as active on just a single product. So we need to also enable the active option on each variant. Click on Edit and edit it here. You also see the note right here that says you can keep the product title and description blank if you want to make them same as the main product. So if you want it same as your parent product, you can leave this blank. Otherwise, you can also add details here. For the images, pricing, inventory, and shipping, set the status as active. Then once again review and save the setup. Then do the same process for the rest of your variants. Make sure to save your setup. Now, when you select those variants, it will then show you here. When your customer is ready to check out, they can just click on the Buy Now button, and they can then fill the details for the payment. And that's how easy it is to create a product and variants here on ShopFunnels. You can also easily manage them here. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.